This influencer was doing a live stream when he was shot dead. Cesar Gastelum, a popular Mexican influencer, was broadcasting live, laughing with two other men in the parking lot of a KFC when two men pull up on a motorcycle. One was seen pulling out a gun and shooting Gastelum. The attackers then fled the scene. Shockingly, this public killing isn't the first. It is the latest in a disturbing pattern that has turned Mexico into arguably the most dangerous place in the world to be a social media influencer. Now, as per the local media, at least 12 social media influencers have been murdered since 2024, particularly in cartel-controlled states like Sinaloa and Jalisco. Now, this influencer Gastelum was killed on the night of August 4th in the Sinaloa state capital of Culiacan, officials have shared. Mexican authorities implied that the killing of the young man was linked to cartel violence but did not blame any particular group. Now, Gastelum had more than 650,000 followers on TikTok and more on Instagram and other social media platforms, and would regularly post comedy videos and content led over Mexican regional music, and he at times referred to himself in these videos as Belico, a term often used in subcultures in Mexico to imply a connection to a cartel culture. Now, on his Instagram account, he often shared pictures of his travels and night outs or posing in front of luxury cars. In one of his posts, he could be seen at the grave of Leobardo Aispuro, an influencer known as El Gordo Perucci. Now, Aispuro was shot in December 2024 in a killing which police said may have been linked to the rivalry between two warring factions of the Sinaloa cartel. Now, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook have become powerful tools where criminal groups project wealth, power, and fear. Influencers often feature luxury cars, expensive watches, narco corridors, weapons, or cartel-linked symbols, whether intentionally or simply because such content attracts views, often couched in aspirational terms and in content designed to appeal to teenagers. Experts say that Mexican cartels are increasingly targeting influencers who can be caught up in violence after they post content that praises or refers to one group, sparking the anger of another. In Culiacan, where Gastelum was shot, a plane dropped flyers last year that named 24 people, including influencers, as being loyal to one cartel faction. However, Gastelum's name was not on the list. Now, influencers have also been targeted in the Jalisco state. Valeria Marquez, who was just 23, was shot and killed at a beauty salon last year while live streaming on TikTok, where she had thousands of followers. Violence in the state of Sinaloa, of which Culiacan is the capital, has spiraled since the two factions, Los Capitos and La Maizia, fell out in September 2024. Reportedly, both factions have military-grade weaponry, armored vehicles, drones, and have fueled intense violence. Now, the killing comes at a time when Mexico's government is under mounting pressure by the Trump administration to crack down on cartel violence. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum shared that the perpetrators must be arrested.